And we're rolling. This will be a test. Okay. I'm going to open up the terminal. Bash shell. This is the command line interface where I'll run all the steps. Awesome. I'm going to navigate over to documents. Oops. CD, capital D, documents. Awesome, and now I'm going to create a new directory named Git demo where I'll initialize the Git repository. Awesome, and then let's change over to that new directory. Inside this folder, I'm initializing an empty Git repository using git init. Awesome. There we are. It is initialized now. And I'll create a file named hello.txt using echo. Awesome. We'll write hello world. Hello text. Awesome. Alright, next I'll add the file to the staging area and then commit it for the Git repository with a message. So let's do git add hello.txt. Boom. Next, let's do our commit message -m add hello.txt file. Perfect, and it's committed. Now I'm creating a new branch called let's call it git checkout feature. Yeah, now we're on the new branch. On this feature branch, I'll create a second file called feature2. Let's do this is a new feature. Yay. Feature2.txt. Boom. Yep, perfect. Now we added a new text file to the branch. Let's do git add dot git status. Let's just take a look. Awesome. It's committed and staged. Git commits add feature2.txt on feature2 branch. Beautiful. Now we have to switch back to the master branch. So git checkout master. And then this is essentially going to merge our changes like we did in class. There we are. Now it's merge feature. Boom. And then all said and done. Lastly, I'm going to use git log with some options to display a graphical view of all commits across branches. Let's do git log one line graph. Oop. All decorate. I typed in wrong. Fat fingered that. Let's try that again. Boom. And as we can see here, we can see all of our commits that we just made. Rolling. This is going to be part 2 for my task 2 called challenging branch merge. Now I'm going to navigate to my downloads folder. Oops. Downloads. Where I have this grocery app file. So let's change to that. Grocery app. Awesome. Now, using a git command, I'll check which branches exist in the repository using git branch. Perfect. Now I'm on the master branch, and we also have an edit feature branch. It appears here. Now I'm going to attempt to merge the edit feature to the master branch. I expect a merge conflict if both branches edit the same file. So let's do git checkout master. Already on master, perfect. Git merge edit feature. Perfect. Got a conflict here, as expected. Automatic merge failed. Fix conflicts and then commit the result. Perfect. Alright, next I'll open the conflicted file in VS Code to manually inspect and fix it. We can use that. Code grocery list. Let's do tab. Awesome. Here we have the grocery list, that HTML file. Let's take a look inside to see where the conflicts are. Scroll down here. Perfect. Here we have highlighted code. Perfect. So this conflict is happening because both the master branch and the edit feature branch edited the same area of the grocery list file. Specifically, that contains the form and button logic. So Git can't automatically decide which version to keep, so it is showing both right now. So let's read here. So to resolve this conflict, I think I need to delete the Git markers and choose which content to keep, or combine them. Let's take a look. Delete grocery item, edit grocery item. So I believe I have to delete this header. Oops. Delete. Please highlight. Oh, the color's throwing me off. Let's get rid of that. Maybe these brackets. Oh, we deleted too much there. Control Z. Boom. Looks good. Let's delete you. Get out of here. So yeah, so essentially these popped up because the git command essentially inserted them from trying to merge. And there we are. Let's Control S to save. And now let's try again to merge. So yeah, after editing and saving the file, let's stage the result file for commit. So git status to look, as we can see here, modified. So let's do a git add period, and then git commits fixed merge conflicts. Fixed bit between master and edit feature branches. Let's just do that. Looks good to me. Awesome. Here we are. Now let's do git log one line graph all. Awesome. And now we can confirm the merge with this log history message to view the changes. And I had a spelling error. Let's try that again. One line. Okay. Perfect. As you can see here, after we sent the message, we fixed merge conflicts between master and edit feature branch. That's the message. That was the last one, and that came from here. Blah. Awesome. So that is how you fix a merge conflict. So after merging, the file includes combined edits from both branches. This demonstrates how you can manually resolve conflicts in shared files and ensure that no functionality is lost when different developers are working on the same project. Perfect. Thank you.